how to fix WeChat app unusual network problem. So if you want to fix your WeChat app unusual network problem, then first you need to launch your Play Store application on your device. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Now here you need to search for WeChat. Once you find WeChat application, if you have any updates under your WeChat or beside the WeChat application, you just need to simply go and update it. Once you've updated, you can go back and make a long press on WeChat application and then go with the app info. Once you're on your app info, you need to scroll down or just simply go with storage and cache, and here you need to go with clear cache and your cache will be cleared, right? Once you clear the cache, you need to go back and then tap on permissions, and if you have not allowed any permissions, you need to just go and allow the permissions. Like for example, I'll go with camera and allow while using the application, go with the microphone, allow the microphone, and go with music and audio. Once you allow the permissions, now your problem might be fixed. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.